This video demonstrates how to make an order in Virto Commerce and how it looks like in the backend. We use our demo theme for it. First of all, we put the product to the cart. And after it proceeds to checkout. So in the cart we have all shipping details already booked because we are logged in under the user. After that we need to select the shipment method, the payment method, and finally we create an order. The order is visible in the customer cabinet on the storefront. If we go to the backend, we can see the backend representation of the order. So here is it. Here's the order number, and this is our line item. It's possible to modify the order from the backend if required. So we can add, for example, another line item here. And after that we save it. It's also possible to manage statuses from the backend. And all the changes are transmitted to the storefront. So you can see that both the status was changed and the order content was changed.